2021 Booker Prize winning novel The Promise was written by Damon Galgut. The Promise is the story of a Dutch family settled in South Africa. Story starts with the death of Rachel, the Jewish mother of 3 children, Anton, Astrid and Amor. On her deathbed, Rachel takes a promise from her husband Manny to give the house to their black maid, Salome, where Salome has been living and serving their family dutifully all these years. This conversation was overheard by the youngest child, Amor. After Rachel's death, Manny either forgot or not willing to keep his promise. This unfulfilled promise acts as a curse to this family, who are separated and met only for the funerals after Rachel's death. At the time of Rachel's death, Anton was serving in the army and Amor was at the boarding school. Manny, as the patriarch of the family, is headstrong, arrogant, and ignorant. His refusal to take on board his wife's wishes to be buried in the Jewish part of the cemetery is the indicative of his whole attitude towards other people. After 9 years of Rachel's death, Manny was killed by a snake bite, and hence the family reunites for another funeral. Now, Anton takes authority of the family property, but still does not honor his mother's wish despite Amor's pleas. Anton is a would-be novelist. He seemed to be unable to let go of the fact that he killed a black civilian while in army and believes that the untimely death of his mother was his punishment for doing so. After a decade, Astrid, the oldest, beautiful, spoilt, entitled daughter of the family, who is an eager social climber and married unhappily with twins, gets killed in a car theft and crime. Yet again the family reunites for another funeral. After 9 years, Anton commits suicide, as he was frustrated with the unfulfillment of his own life. Now, Amor is in charge of family property. The promised house that Amor had to offer to Salome, the maid who served the family for 30 years, is called the Lombard House, after old Mrs. Lombard, who used to live there in the time of her grandfather, and Salome is allowed to live in that house only to prevent an Indian family from taking it over. Amor's gift to Salome resembles the challenge faced by the whites to share some of their wealth for the common good. Survivor and the central character Amor, living a diminished life in a lonely Durban flat far away from the family roots in Pretoria, works as a nurse and healing others. The story runs parallel with the South African apartheid transition. When Rachel took promise, Salome had no legal position to own the property. Later, Salome could be evicted by the owners from the house any time they wished. But in the final stage, Salome could be the legal owner of the house. Hence, it parallels with the transitional conditions, political conditions of the South Africa. Could this dilapidated house in the corner of a farm symbolize the South Africa over the ages? Occupied, used and abused over the period. Galgut narrates the entire story in third person and gives the readers a complete picture of South Africa from 80s till date, like social, cultural, political, emotional aspects of the society, all interwoven, and The Promise is the most captivating and enthralling book to read.